I'm Professor Joe Harbison, and I'd like to welcome you to this continuous professional development course on managing acute stroke. This is a successor to a previous course I used to direct at the Royal College of Physicians in Ireland for more than 10 years. With the evolution of online teaching technologies, I've revised and updated the curriculum to be delivered as part of the Trinity College Dublin CPD programme. We've structured the course with the expectation that people undertaking it have some idea of what a stroke is, know some undergraduate neuroanatomy, and have some idea of the drugs involved in treating cardiovascular and cerebrovascular disease. There are bits we haven't included that would be worth looking up, most notably the National Institutes of Health Stroke Scale, or the NIHSS, which is a scored neurological examination, is now almost universally used to define the severity of neurological impairment following stroke. The NIHSS courses are available online. It's also worth familiarising yourself with the Modified Rankin Scale, which is a global disability scale, the most frequently used outcome measure in stroke trials. The course is delivered in a blended, predominantly flipped classroom format. I'm joined in delivering it by my colleagues from St James's and Tala University Hospitals in Dublin, Ireland. All of us are consultants who work in delivering acute stroke care, and we're a combination of neurologists and geriatricians with specific stroke interests. We're joined by Danielle Byrne and Paul Ward, two consultant radiologists with stroke and vascular neuroradiology training. Dominic McCabe, Ronan Collins and myself have each been working as stroke doctors both in Ireland and the UK for 25 years or more, and we're joined by colleagues with a wide range of interests within stroke care. The course is structured around 16 recorded presentations, supported by monthly 2-hour workshops where we can discuss problems, answer questions and go through a few cases. Finally, in June, we'll have a whole-day seminar in St James's Hospital where we can do some stimulation, see some real patients, and cover or revise any areas that people are unsure of or want more detail on. I'm glad to say there's no formal assessment of the course, but we have included some self-assessment within each presentation, and we'll go through the answers during the online workshops. You can also contact us through email if you have any problems. We really hope that you enjoy the course, and I look forward to seeing you online.